The Ukrainian army was very busy overnight. They attacked Russian targets and occupied Ukraine and on Russian soil. The Ukrainian armed forces attacked the building of the Donetsk City Council, where the leaders of the so-called Donetsk People's Republic meet. The whole building is devastated, but there are only 2 injured people, and that is showing that unlike the Russians, the Ukrainian side only wanted to hit the symbol of the occupation in Donetsk, and they didn't want to cause mass casualties. And that's the same thing that happened with the attack on Crimean Bridge. In the Russian city of Belgorod, where Ukrainians are constantly hitting logistical targets, an explosion is being reported near the airport of Belgorod.
Ебать!
Взорвали, что?
Ебать!
Взорвали?
Да.
А куда попали?
А я на пол, вот там. Ебать, вон там слева. Пиздец, что делать?
Погнали на КПП, может выпустят куда-нибудь в убежище.
And talking about Putin's failed mobilization, this mobilized invaders from Kurgan complained about the lack of payments and support from the administration. They bought basic military equipment themselves. We are getting money from home, although it has to be the opposite. For what purpose are we sitting here? They asked.
Просто так вот. Где администрация, обещанные ваши подъемные, где приостановки кредитов, где какие-то льготы семьям? Что-то такое, что вы обещали. Нет ничего.
This is another sad story, which shows that behind Putin's mindless strategy, the ordinary Russians are paying the price for the war. Russian conscript from Chelyabinsk was sent to Luhansk after 2 days of training. A woman says he was supposed to go 2 months retraining. The conscript was killed in a week in Ukraine. And for the end, this first-person shooter video with Ukrainian combatants during a firefight at the Eastern Front.
Быстро перезарядились. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.